In part 2 of our interview with Carmen Eicher of swissQprint, we speak to her about the company's recent UK launch event of its 5th generation of flatbed printers. Eicher also discusses the possible special applications of swissQprint machines, as well as what makes her most excited about print as a whole.
Beginning when we sent out the invitations, we didn't yet specify the Generation 5 because the news were not yet out, but we had a bit of time so that customers could still sign up in between our announcement and the open house, and many took the chance to say last minute, hey, I saw the news, I really want to be there. The nice thing here at an open house is that we have existing customers, we have new prospects with other equipment, and they can interact with each other. Especially the new prospects can learn from the existing swissQprint users. It's a different vibe if you hear it from an existing customer who has used the machine for so many years. And we had here customers today with a Generation 1 machine, with Generation 2, Generation 3, Generation 4. So really they could experience machines 15 years old, or some that have been using it maybe for 3 years. So this has been very beneficial for us. And as always, as a manufacturer of machines, you always are excited to show your developments. You've been working on it undercover somehow for so long, and it's important to finally get the reactions of the customer and to see, are we at the right place or not? And so far today, I have to say, I think we are once again at the right place for our customers, for their future in their businesses. As it says in the name, it's called swissQprint. All our machines are developed and manufactured at our Swiss headquarters. This is really important for us because we want to keep control over the quality and the reliability of the printer, and this is only possible if we have as much control as possible, both over the development process, so the R&D side, as well as over the production process. Roughly 30% of our staff in Switzerland work in R&D. Those are loads of different fields, from software, firmware, electronics, to mechanics, to ink lab. So we try to cover all the aspects of the printer, and then another roughly 20-25% of the staff is then in our production team, and they build every machine to order. With our samples, we always try to show the full extent of our machine. Because in the end, we all know that we can do the bread and butter jobs. That's really important, so that we don't only do the specialties, but our customers also want to get creative samples so they can sell the capabilities of the machine to their clients. We're always on the lookout for new samples, creative samples, to show with the tiny lettering, hey, you can do 2-point font, with a braille application so that you can do build-up of ink, with an art reproduction file, how accurate you can scan a piece of art and then build it up. And we always amaze our customers again and again and say, I don't think I can do that with the machine. And we say, no, you can do this already with your machine. There's so much inspiration going back and forth between us, but also between our customers. And we feel that this brings them to a level where they can utilize the machine to a fuller extent, and in the end also get a faster payback on the machine. To print, there is no end to creativity. Sometimes I maybe was naive enough to think, now I've seen it all, but that's never the case. So there is always a new application, something new, cool, and it's not only from us, it's also from our customers. You visit them, they show you something really excited. In the end, also print touches the whole world we live in. So we're talking, of course, about the obvious things, about billboards. You can go skiing. Of course, as a Swiss girl, I'm skiing as well. But you can also see someone printing on puzzles. We heard from a customer today there, he's doing film sets. So you can really watch some of the big blockbusters today in the cinemas, and we know this was printed on our machine. And this is just exciting me that there are so many fields and we never know what else our machines could be used for. And I always like to be surprised. I like a new challenge. So we also don't always want to do the same. So it's nice that we can reach more and more customers with our technology.